Hi, welcome, and I hope you're doing well. Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to replace an iPhone 6s screen replacement. First of all, you need to remove the two screws from the bottom here. Okay, and you get a pry tool. Go ahead and stick it in and go around the corner. What you're doing here is cutting the double tape adhesive because the phone is water resistant. So you need to cut the adhesive. That way you can open up the screen after. Okay, go ahead and open up the screen right about 90-degree angle. You got a Phillips screwdriver. There are 4 screws. Go ahead and remove them. Once you have that removed, you can get the back plate out and get a plastic pry tool. And there are 3 flex ribbon cable. Okay, at this point you're going to get this result. What you want to do is you want to get the back plate transferred to the new screen, the home button, and also the front camera. Okay, so go ahead and remove the plastic. While the new screen is waiting for that transfer, we need to go ahead and remove the home button. There are 2 screws that holds onto it. Got a plastic pry tool. Open up the home button and slowly stick this one in to remove the flex cable. It held by adhesive again, so just be careful when you remove that. It has a broken glass here. Let me remove this broken glass. Okay, and now you have the home button removed. Put it on the side and that's going to be ready to transfer to the new screen. Okay, go ahead and come back and finish up the rest. You need to get the back plate out. There are 3 screws on each side of the screen. And then there's one on the top here. Okay, once you have that, go ahead and finish up the rest. 3 screws that holds on to the front camera and the ear speaker. At this point here, you want to slowly and carefully remove the front camera. Okay, as you can see, I removed that earpiece cover as well because the new screen comes with it. So I really do not care about breaking this one, the earpiece. Okay, you can throw that away. The front camera is ready. Just put that on the side and come back and remove the back plate. Okay, so this is the original screen or the old screen. Let's put it on the side. And the new screen is here. So the first thing I'll do is to move the back plate back on. Again, there are 3 screws on each side of it. Okay, the next step I'll do is to put the home button back on. Okay, I'm removing this blue plastic. We do not need that. Okay, let's install the camera back. So right now what I'm doing is I'm getting a feel on the camera to sit right in that bracket. So when you have that sitting properly, you can feel that it sits flat on top. It's nothing like bulging. So once you, oops, came back up. Okay. So once you have that sit properly, go ahead and put the speaker back on. While you're holding it, you can just make sure that the camera is aligned. Putting the thing back on and have this metal back bracket goes back on top. All right, so let's go ahead and put the screen back. Okay, and you have this back plate to go back on. Okay, and the final step is to have the two screws going back at the bottom of the screen, and that should be it. So I hope this video helps you on how to replace an iPhone 6s screen. I have the tools in the description below, and also where you can buy the new screens from. If you have any question, please comment below, and I hope this tutorial helps you on how to replace your iPhone 6s screen. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.